So now that we've created a simple test, let's go ahead and do something a little bit more substantial. Let's try and make a test that will go to the Pluralsight homepage and allow us to search for a particular author and verify that we can get to that author page. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the Pluralsight homepage here, and let's talk about how we can do this and look at doing this in terms of the page object model that we had discussed earlier. So if we use a page object model in our framework, we'd want to have the home page modeled as its own object, and then we want to mirror the functionality that exists for a user viewing this page. So for example, you can see that there's some links over here that we could choose, and there's also some links here for full library, categories, authors. And you'll notice that when I clicked full library, it actually took me to another page, and then this top navigation still remained the same. So we could actually encapsulate this top navigation into its own page, its own object and functionality, but for now we're just going to consider this part of the home page. And so what we'll do is we'll model things like the full library, categories, and authors. And we're only going to build out the pieces we need. So we're going to start off by modeling this home page and this author's link. And so we'll make it so that we can click an author. And we're going to be working at a higher level. We're going to make it so that in our test framework, we can specify that we want to go to an author's page and then pass in the author name. So for example, if we go to Matt Milner's page here, then we can see all the courses that he's done and we can verify that this functionality works. So let's go ahead and see how we can do that inside of our test framework.